Today I'd like to introduce the new fifth wheel attachment that allows one technician to remove or install fifth wheels on light-duty and heavy-duty trucks. Our technician will install the fifth wheel attachment and demonstrate the removal and installation process. He will slide the attachment into the boom about 12 inches and tighten the star knob. Once the attachment is in place, he will be sure that the main boom is extended enough for the fifth wheel to clear the legs of the Lift King. He will make the necessary adjustments needed by adjusting the turnbuckle in an upward position. The turnbuckle will allow the technician to make precise adjustments to accommodate all designs. He will raise the lift to a good working height so the attachment aligns with the fifth wheel. He will slowly roll the Lift King as center as possible to the truck and then connect it to the fifth wheel. He will lock the fifth wheel so it's securely fastened to the attachment. Most fifth wheels on light-duty trucks have a manual locking process. He will then raise the fifth wheel so it is a couple inches above the truck bed to ensure he doesn't scrape the bed or the tailgate. He will slowly pull the Lift King backwards, watching his clearance. The fifth wheel is now removed. Even though fifth wheels on light-duty trucks are not extremely heavy, they weigh more than one technician should handle, and why pay two technicians to do the job of one? The weight of a fifth wheel can cause physical strain and possible injury. Shops that use two technicians, a forklift, or a chain fall system are reducing productivity and increasing liability to their technician. He will lower the fifth wheel onto a scale so we can see what it actually weighs. You will clearly see that the average fifth wheel for a light-duty truck weighs 170 pounds. He will install the fifth wheel to the truck by rolling the lift as center as possible and then lowering it into the exact position required to correctly secure it. You can see that the Lift King with the fifth wheel attachment allows one technician to put the fifth wheel into the exact position without any physical strain. This application eliminates the possibility for injury, it increases productivity, and saves time and money.